Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am teaching you leaching. Subject name is Unit Operations in Food Industry. Discipline is Food and Biotechnology. Now let's start the topic, leaching. Leaching is a solid liquid operation. The two phases are in intimate contact. The solutes can diffuse from the solid to the liquid phase, which causes a separation of the components originally in the solid. Okay, a special leaching process when an undesirable component is removed from a solid with water is called washing, and leaching is a process of extracting something from a solid by dissolving it in a liquid. This can occur either naturally or can be done industrially. In order for leaching to occur, the substance to be extracted should be soluble in the liquid used for the extraction, while other components do not dissolve. Therefore, the sample solid consists of an insoluble carrier along with the soluble solute particles. Some examples include separating a metal from its ore. The liquid used here is a suitable acid, extracting sugar from beet using hot water or etc. This is an example of leaching in which tea bag is a solid matrix in which it is dipped. It is a green tea leaf substance and it is dipped in a hot water, and then we will get the green tea. And making a green tea is basically a leaching. Example of leaching. Solutes and solvents. Solutes extracted by leaching is vegetable seeds like cotton seeds, soybeans, linseeds, peanuts, rice bran, castor beans, metal processing industries like copper, nickel, gold, and cobalt. Solvents used for leaching are petroleum naphthals, hexane, chlorinated hydrocarbons. Then principles of leaching. The solvent must be transferred from the bulk solvent solution to the surface of the solids, first of all. Next, the solvent must penetrate or diffuse into the solids. The solute then diffuses through the solid solvent mixture to the surface of the particle. Finally, the solute is transferred to the bulk solution. The rate of the solvent transfer from the bulk solution to the solid surface is quite rapid. However, the rate of transfer of the solvent into the solid can be rather slow or rapid. This solvent transfer usually occurs initially when the particles are first contacted with the solvent. The rate of diffusion of the solute through the solid and solvent to the surface of the solid is often the controlling resistance in the overall leaching process and can depend on a number of different factors. In the solid is made of porous. The diffusion through the porous solid can be described by an effective diffusivity. The resistance to mass transfer to the solute from the solid surface to the bulk solvent is generally quite small compared to the resistance to the diffusion within the solid itself. The leaching versus extraction. Leaching is the process of extracting something from a solid by dissolving it in a liquid, whereas extraction is the action of extracting something, especially using effort or press. Leaching is done for solid phase substances, whereas extraction is done with either solids or liquids. Leaching involves the dissolution of the desired substance in a suitable liquid, whereas extraction involves the distribution of the desired substance between the two phases of the matter. Equipment for the leaching process. First one is fixed bed leaching. It is uses typically fixed bed diffusers or extractors. Moving bed leaching, that is the uses for Ballman extractor and Hildebrandt extractor. Agitated solid leaching, it includes the countercurrent leaching using thickeners, and other extractors used include rotocell, French stationary basket extractor, Kennedy extractor, then continuous horizontal extractor. Then recovery of the solvent. The recovery of the solvent from both the miscela and the leached seeds or beans is an essential part of the vegetable oil leaching process. In a typical arrangement, the filtered miscela is passed to an evaporator for removal of solvent, followed by final stripping in a tray column to produce solvent-free oil. The wet seeds are streamed to remove residual solvent and air-cooled. Ventilated gases from condenser can be to an absorber to recover any solvent. Application is, it is used in the biological and food processing industries. For example, the separation of sugar from sugar beets with hot water The extraction of oils from peanuts, soybeans, sunflower seeds, cotton seeds. It is also used in pharmaceutical industry. Many products are obtained by leaching plant roots, leaves, and stems. In the processing industry, leaching is used to remove the metals from their ores, which contains many undesirable constituents as solute salts. Example is gold leaching. Gold is leached from its ore using an aqueous sodium cyanide solution. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.